dear teachers and my dear friends. I'm Amin Rasa from LKG. I'm very happy to stand here. I can see many smiling faces that make me happy. Today I want to talk about smile. Yes, smile is very small, but it is very special. It needs no money, it needs no word. When we smile, we feel happy. When we smile at others, they feel happy too. My teachers smile and help me. My parents smile and love me. My friends smile and play with me. A smile make everyone good. Let us smile every day. My teachers, thank you. My friends, thank you.